What is up, everybody, and welcome to the channel. This car show lands us in Plains, PA at it's actually the home of the Wilkes-Barre Bears mini football team. Somebody contacted me about they're doing a craft show and a flea market down here, and they said, hey, if you're not doing anything, stop on by. It's not a very big show. It's like their first year doing it, but I could actually see something like this be more promising because they have a craft fair or a craft show, a flea market, and they incorporated a car show here. So, but we managed to bring the second gen Ram Mud Truck to Show Truck project vehicle down here to the show just to show it off a little bit to kick off our show season, because this is our first one. And we also brought the Jeep Rubicon 4xe down here with us, and this is the first time we have this out. And you know what? I'm going to take you guys a walk around, show you what this show is all about and how promising it is. But if you're new to the channel, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you guys can stay posted when we go to more shows like this, because we do have quite a few shows lined up. We're going to be going down south into the Harrisburg area. We got some jamborees to do. We might even hit a Jeep jamboree now that we have a Jeep to the channel, because we also got some mods that are going to be going on with this. So subscribe to the channel, and if we didn't win your subscription in this video, well, maybe in the next one we will. So let me take you guys for a walk around, and we are going to start off with the second gen, go to the Jeep, and then I'm going to show you some of the other cars, and I'm going to mix some of the craft vendors in with that. Hope you guys enjoy. Guys, there was just a little walk around of the show here in Plains, PA at the Bears mini football field. It was an awesome time. Like I said, if you're new, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, I'm Joe, driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll it. Wicked Fabz!